This presentation is based on the dating and relationship program Make Him Desire You by Alex Carter. 3 ridiculous tricks to make him ache for you. Step 1. Trigger a sense of positive discomfort in his mind. You must be thinking, wait a minute. How can discomfort be positive, and why would I want to make a guy uncomfortable? Well, there is an age-old psychological concept which states that as humans we value the very thing we have to work hard for. Men especially are genetically programmed to value the very thing which isn't easy to attain. Now I am not saying that you should play hard to get and make him run after you. That concept is a myth and can actually turn a guy completely off. What I am talking about is a cocktail of pleasure and discomfort mixed in together. It basically means that you make him feel 90% pleasure mixed with 10% discomfort. This cocktail creates an intense sense of passion within a man's body that is just hard to control. This tunes up his emotional intensity towards you, and he feels this hot, raw and intense love for you which is addictive and almost irreplaceable. In fact, this concept works so well that he will actually enjoy chasing you and will get a special kind of feeling which will get him addicted to pursuing you. I know it sounds weird right now, but I'll show you a super easy way to put it into action soon. But before that, let me get to our second step. Step 2. Reframe his point of view. Have you ever seen a guy who went completely nuts over a certain girl even though she wasn't that good looking or smart? And did you find yourself thinking, what does he see in her? She isn't even that special. The important point to note here is that in your point of view, she might not be that attractive or special, but that specific guy is seeing her through a completely different lens. He is seeing things in her that you might not see at all. Now the good news is that you can use reframing to change a guy's views about you and make him find you absolutely attractive, irresistible and exceptionally special. Even if you aren't that good looking, skinny or smart. You see, by making small easy adjustments in your personality, you can make a guy think that you are one of the most interesting women he's ever come across. And not only that, you can actually make him see you as this special, 1 in a million woman he would be lucky to have in his life. I'll soon show you a super easy method to reframe his view of you completely and establish yourself as his only and best possible choice. But before that, let me give you the third and final step. Step 3. Appeal to the masculine part of him. Every guy is born with a protector instinct. His job in the early man days used to be to protect the family from predators. If you can awaken the masculine part of a man completely, he would feel a gut-level desire to protect you and do nice things for you. Once this part awakens, he will go out of his way to do loving things for you and will even feel obligated and responsible for your well-being. In fact, this is one of the most little-known secrets to truly making a man fall in love with you. Most women feel that in order to get a man to love them, they should do a lot of nice things, dress sexy, etc. But the reality is that, all that can actually repulse him. Since every man is a born hunter, he is a provider at his very core. And he will feel a lot of pleasure when you let him take care of you by appealing to the masculine part of him. Now you must be thinking, alright, I understand that I have to trigger a sense of positive discomfort in his mind. Reframe his point of view and awaken the masculine part of him. And he will feel a lot of pleasure when you let him take care of you by appealing to the masculine part of him. But I am still a little confused because I don't know exactly how to do. Here is how. You may follow the link below to go on watching.